Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return for the first time. First, determine if your income requires you to file. Next, collect all your financial documents like W-2s and any Form 1099. Finally, select the appropriate filing status, such as single or married filing jointly, to ensure accuracy. This initial preparation is key for a smooth process. Having the right documents makes filing much easier. You'll need your W-2 forms from every employer you had. If you did freelance or contract work, gather all your Form 1099 documents. Don't forget records for potential deductions, like student loan interest or credits, such as the child tax credit. These can significantly impact your refund or tax due.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: just like a reliable tax return, you need reliable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously the best. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
You have options for how to file. Many people choose to e-file using tax software, which often guides you step by step and checks for errors. Alternatively, you can mail a paper return, but this takes longer to process. Remember, free tax assistance programs exist for those who qualify, offering valuable support. Pick the method that best suits your comfort level. Accuracy is paramount when completing your return. Carefully review every number and entry to avoid mistakes that could delay your refund or trigger an audit. If you're mailing a paper return, remember to sign and date it. Always keep a copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. This is crucial for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.